How to merge two videos in Canva. So if you want to merge more than two or maybe two videos in Canva, it's actually quite a simple thing to do. So I will simply go ahead and then open up, let's say, a certain template over here, right? And I will simply go ahead and then open it up. And once I've opened a certain design, and let's say I want to add multiple videos to it, at the bottom you can see the certain timeline. Now I can choose to delete these ones over here, right? Now here you can see my first video, and here you can see my second video. So if I want to add a second video after this, I just need to click the plus icon here, and then right here I can simply drag anything that I want to, and then I'll be able to add a video to this. Or I can go to elements here, then I can simply go to the video section here, and I'll be able to add the videos by merging them. And this way I'll be able to merge two videos in Canva. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.